Hey, we're live right now, so if you are a subscriber and you're on, I'm with
Super Crazy Squid.
Nice. And so we're going to be doing some little fraction review. So if you have no clue what's going on, guess what I'm going to do? So I'm going to go over here to Google Classroom, and I'm going to blitz this out. Let's see who wants to join me. Joey. Oh, no, I'm ineligible. Hey, guess what? So spread the word around. I'm going live here. I am live. Currently, I know they can see us. Let me talk to the people. So you go read your book and get out. Get out. Goodbye, Super Crazy Squid. Somebody's going to do their homework. Anyway, so hey, if you're catching this, I can't switch over to my Google Classroom. I don't have my phone, don't have anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to blitz it out using my handy-dandy school iPad here. So let's see if I can get everybody's attention. Because guess what? We're going to have a quiz tomorrow on multiplying and dividing, fractions and mixed numbers. And I want to make sure that you're ready to go. Super Crazy Squid, be gone. Ta-da! So let's see if I can get on here. Let's go and sign in. Signing into the goodness. Woo, got dark. Let's see if I can get in. Oh, I don't have Wi-Fi. Ah!
Yeah, no Wi-Fi.
Hey, go get my phone, Super Crazy Squid. Be useful. So anyway, hey, we're going to do fraction review together. So we're going to cover over some key things. So if you're Math 6, we're going to talk about how you can make mixed numbers and improper fractions and proper fractions and the mixed numbers. And what we're also going to... Very serious. Nice. So I got my handy dandy phone now that's actually on the internet. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.
Joey.
Super Crazy Squid, peace out. Peace. Get out of here, man. Go in your room. Goodbye. Sorry I'm talking to my son because, hey, I got no viewers yet, so it's all good. So I'm just going to keep talking to myself. Excuse me, child. You really need to go now. Going live. That's not right. Live on YouTube. I got one viewer. What's up to my viewer? I got one. Welcome. Going live on YouTube to work on fraction stuff. There we go. That's pretty descriptive. 2 viewers. Come on, friends. We got this. Hey, if you're on, leave a comment for me so I know who you are, if you're allowed to. To work on fraction stuff in 3 minutes. Let's see. You can hear the guinea pigs in the background. It's kind of crazy. You're doing boing, 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 boing. Stop making noise. Thank you. Goodbye. Let's just split this out. 3 minutes. What's up, viewers? Hang in there. So if you are... Hey, Super Crazy Squid girl, come here. So Super Crazy Squid's sister gets the phone back. Goodbye. Goodbye. Say bye. Joe, go in your room now. Get out. Get out. Nice. So what we're going to do here is you're going to see me for the next couple minutes, and then we're going to flip over to my awesomeness. Let's go ahead and test this out, make sure that this works. So so you should be able to see me right on the screen. So let's do 3/4, smiley face, heart. Oh, special. You should be able to see me erase the good stuff off there too. Go erase. Goodbye. Ooh, let's play around. So I'm just playing right now. So, all right, so my tools work, so you should be able to see those. And let me see what kind of comments we got going on here. Let me see if I can see comments. Can I see comments? Where are you at? Nice. What is up? I got some friends on here. First comment. Come on, we got this. What is up, Hiba? We got some good stuff going on. So I'm just waiting for some friends to get in here. Friends. Let's start 2 minutes. So we're going to do a little bit of fraction review. I'm going to say something also. Word up, friends. Oh, So it's my first live stream of the year, and guess what? You all get to be part of it. Very, very, very nice. Let's see if I can make this a little bigger, eh? Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Bigger. Let's see if that showed up a little bigger on the screen here. It's about the same size. That's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over some things together. Review that is going to be a little super duper handy dandy. Ooh, and we got bigger. Watch me go. I'm actually watching it on a 10-second delay. Make sure everything works. It's good. We got about a minute. Jump back on. Yeah, first live stream. We got this. So the good news is that, hey, if you missed this live stream, it's all good. We missed you. That means you're watching at a later date, and you're listening to all the goodness live. And so, once again, if you have a question, just make sure you drop it down in the live chat. I'm more than happy to answer it for you. And so what we're doing is we're going to go over a few things. My children, you need to leave. You need to leave. My daughter's feeding guinea pigs. Ooh, you're doing IXL. What IXL are you doing? It's all good. Just drop it down in there. Which one you working on, man? Katie, you got to be quiet, babe, because I'm going to do a live stream here. 8 o'clock. I got some friends on here. Hey, if you're on the YouTube channel, you see live chat, and you're able to write something down, jot me your name. I want to see who's on here. Hey, if I see you tomorrow and you're on here in the live stream, I'll hook you up with some rays. We got you going on. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to take about 10 minutes or so. Hola. ¿Cómo está? Hello? Hello. Let's see if I can rock and roll with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of fraction review. So my children need to officially leave now because we're going to work on some things together here. So some things that are going to help you out for the quiz coming up. So we're going to do a quiz on multiplying and dividing mixed numbers and whole numbers. So some things to review. We got to change whole numbers into improper fractions. So I can write 3 as 3 over 1. I can write 4 as 4 over 1. I can write 5 as 5 over 1. And we know some things here is that when we take our whole number, that the denominator is always going to be 1. And so when we multiply and divide mixed numbers with whole numbers, we got to convert everything to improper fractions. That's going to be super helpful for you to be able to multiply and divide properly. Let's see if I can click on a new slide. Insert. See if I can do this. See if this works. Duplicate slide. Woohoo! Nice. Let's go ahead and erase the goodness. So that's the first one here. Let's go ahead and erase. So another awesome thing is we gotta change our mixed numbers here. So if I have like 3 1/2, we have to change 3 1/2 into an improper fraction. So what I could do is I can go 2 times 3, and then whatever that equals 6, and then I'm going to add 1, which makes it 7. So I have 7 over, and then the denominator stays the same, so 7 over 2. So if we have another mixed number here, so say if I have 5 2/3, what I can do, these are helpful skills to help you with this quiz going on. So I'm going to do 3 times 5 is 15, and then 15 plus 2 gives me 17, and then I keep the denominator the same, which is going to be 3. Another skill that's super helpful, let's see if I can get a new slide going on. Maybe I should new slide. Let's see what that does. That didn't do what I wanted to do. Let's delete those out because I don't want to get that one, and I don't want that one. Nice. Another skill, what's going to happen here is that, say you have an improper fraction where the bigger number is at the top. What you're going to do is you're going to do some long division here. So I'm going to put 4 on the outside. I'm going to put 15 on the inside here. The way this is going to look is 4 goes into 15 how many times? So I can say that's 4 evenly. Oh, wait, backup train. Just kidding. 3 evenly. Fix my mistakes. 3 times 4 gives me 12. And I'm trying to figure out what the remainder is. So I have a remainder of 3. So on the quiz, if you get to this part right here, where you get 3 remainder 3, you're in great shape because the final last step is we need to make it into a mixed number. In my mixed number, the denominator stays the same as 15 over 4. Here's my whole number right here. Is going to be 3. So I'm going to write that nice and big. And then my remainder, whatever I get for my remainder, is my numerator. So I can say 15/4 is going to be the same as 3 3/4 here. Nice. And so, hey, if you joined in my live streaming chat, what's up, Ishan? I got you going on. So I got some friends jumping up on here, all this good kind of stuff going on. But, oh, we got some other friends. Swara, what's going on? I got some friends jumping in all over the place. Nice, nice, nice. So if you have a specific question, also join up in the live chat. So you can jot me a question there. Be more than happy to answer it. So I'm kind of dropping back and forth between my YouTube page where the live chat is and my little screen where I'm doing all my fancy schmancy writing here. Can you see my writing? Because I want to make sure that my writing is showing up. Drew, what's up, man? That's old school, man. Rocking 7th grade. Nice, nice, nice. Hey, shoot me a line. Who's seeing my writing show up on the screen? Ooh, there's writing popping up. Nice. I'm just making sure it all works. Hit me a line. Give me a smiley face, emoji, something. Help me out. Let me know this is working before I keep going on with this. I got about another couple. I want to do a couple more minutes. If you've seen writing, be more than happy to keep on going. Shoot me an emoji. Come on, friends. I'll be going live for probably another 10-ish minutes or so. I don't want to keep going on forever and ever and ever. Bye. Goodbye. Joey, goodbye. Get out of here. Get out of here. Nice. Hi again. Nice. I'm going to keep on going here, so we're going to keep rocking and rolling here. So these are some key things. First of all, whole numbers to improper fractions, mixed numbers to improper fractions, and at the very end, you can be given an improper fraction, make it back into a mixed number. Let's go try a couple problems here. So let's do new slide. We got some good stuff going on here. These are background music, man. I use background music really bad. Next time I'll have some cool background music dumping in the background. But let's try a problem together. And so let's start with some basic fractions. We have 3/4 times 1/2. So if I'm doing fraction multiplication, what I'm doing is I'm going to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So I can multiply the numerators as 3 times 1 gives me 3. Times, and so once again, if you get here with 3/8, that's already reduced or simplified, so you're in great shape for that. And so, nice. We got some good stuff going on here. So let's try another one here. So we're going to rock some mix. Let's do one more. Let's do 5/6 times 2/3 here. And so a lot of different strategies on the way you can solve this one. I'm going to switch up my color because I'm getting bored of these ones. And so say if I do 5 times 2, that gives me 10. And then 6 times 3 gives me 16. You might notice that both of these are even numbers. And so what I can do is I can go ahead and when I simplify, divide the top and bottom by 2. It's going to give me 5/8. And so make sure you want to get your answer in simplest form for these problems. Let's keep on moving and groove in here. Let's try duplicate this slide. And I'm going to use my awesome erase button. Erase my screen. If you're seeing stuff disappear, it's a good thing because I am erasing the screen. Nice. Let's try 3 1/2 times 3. So you notice we got some different things going on here. And so let's go ahead and make everything an improper fraction first. So I can do 2 times 3 gives me 6, plus 1 gives me 7. So I have 7 over 2 times, we have a whole number 3. So I'm going to write that as 3 over 1. Next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to now multiply across. I have improper fractions. 7 times 3 is 21 over 2. If you get to this improper fraction, you are in great shape. Come on, friends, post an emoji if you got that improper fraction. You're in awesome shape, but 2 goes into 21 10 times evenly. I'm going to keep this denominator the same as 2. So watch this, 2 times 10 is 20. So what I'm going to do, if you're totally stuck, I'm going to do 21 minus 20. This is how I get my numerator right here. So my numerator is going to be 1. So my answer here is going to be 10 1/2. I need to take a pause because my super crazy squid child is sending me cryptic messages. Someone asked if I... Sure, go ahead. Goodbye. Nice. So we're moving and grooving here with some example problems here. Let's see what I got going on, my friends. Yeah, Justin, what's up, Justin? It is so cracky. Your voice is so cracky. Sorry, Algebra 1 didn't work out well for you. Or it's boring. It's probably just hard. It's all good. My voice is cracking. It's okay. So maybe what we'll do is, oh yeah, super crazy squid. Shout out to the squid. That's my son. That's Joey. You're allowed to say hi to my son. It's all cool. So it might be my mic just being a little goofy, weird, but I'll try better next time for you. Let's go ahead and hit some division here. I'm gonna erase my screen. You guys just chilling out, hanging with me on YouTube. It's kind of cool because I'll get better at this because of the feedback you're giving me. Let's do some division together. So let's just hit the mixed numbers. So I have, let's do 2 2/3 divided by 1 1/2. So let's do that one just because it might be fun. So let's make it some improper fractions here. So I have 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 gives me 8. So I have 8/3 divided by 3/2. There's 2 strategies to do here. And so the one strategy I'm going to show off here is where I change the division sign, change it to multiplication, and I flip the second fraction here. So this might be the easiest strategy for you where you multiply across and you get 16 over 9. If you get 16 over 9, that go ahead and make that into a mixed number. 9 goes into 16 one time, and my denominator is the same as 9. My numerator is 7. So if you got 1 7/9, you're in fantastic shape with that. And of course, if you're confused with making a improper fraction to a mixed number, go ahead and, when this gets posted, rewind and watch that part changing an improper fraction to a mixed number. There's another strategy in how to do this. So if you want to do the changing to a common denominator strategy, so you might notice that the common denominator for 3 and 2 is 6. So you can rewrite both fractions with a denominator 6. So 3 times 2, 8 times 2 gives me 16. And if I do the same thing, multiply the top and bottom by 3 for this fraction, you have 16/6 divided by 9/6. This is kind of cool, is where 16 is your numerator and 9 is your denominator. So you have 2 different strategies you can try for division, both of which give you the same exact answer. So whatever you feel comfortable with. If you're the multiply and flip type person, go for it. If you're making them same denominator, go for that as well. Just be careful. Don't mix both strategies together. And so, Truth, doing questions like that. Have fun with that. All good in the neighborhood like that. Nice. Do you got any questions going on? Do you want me to cover anything specific? Because I'll be more than happy to go over some stuff here because my Google Hangout time is running out. So let's see if I can post something here. Let's bring up my keyboard. Let's see if I can ask a question. Let me click on my keyboard. I want the tablet mode on my Surface Pro 4 here, and it's being all crazy. Let's see if it'll get me in here. Nice. Any more questions? What's your first question? See what you got. What is my hamster's name? Nice. Thank you, Joe. I appreciate you don't have any questions. Hamsters' names are Lily, Daisy, and Rosie. They'll make a guest appearance at later live streaming events here. And so, hey, what we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and sign out. I'm going to give you a last chance. Last chance for questions. Come on, friends, if you got something, I can stay on here. Thank you, child number 2, for this super crazy squid. It's child number 2 for me. But hey, guess what? I'm gonna go ahead and peace out here. This video is going to show up here. I'm going to go back and rewatch the goodness, so I'll be able to go ahead and see what's up with my live stream microphone. Sorry, it might have been a little choppy for you, but if you have some specific questions, feel free to leave a comment. What is the? Oh yeah, I should dab when I peace out. Dab, LOL. Nice. And so so I'm gonna peace out of here. Give me a shout if you need some more questions. We are here for you. Peacing out. Let me see if I can get my camera back up here. Yeah. Peace out. Word up. There you go. The dabs if you hung in there. But peace out. Have a great night. Talk to you soon.